Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to this my program again. Today I get very important syrup wey I wan make. This syrup na for cough. Apart from cough, will still help you for your cold. If you dey a bit feverish, like cold dey catch you, if you drink this syrup, e go work for your body, you will get yourself back. And this syrup we wan do so, we need 4 things to take do am. 4 items. Then the items we wan use for this cough syrup na honey, number 2 na lemon, number 3 na ginger, then number 4 na turmeric. Then all these things so na natural and organic products na dem be, and all these things na natural herbs na dem be, and these things really good for body. At least no sugar dey inside this thing so we want to. So already I don prepare the ginger and the turmeric down. I just want to show you say this one na the turmeric and the ginger wey I use. But the one where I want really use for this program, for this syrup, I don't grate am down. I grate am here na the ginger and the turmeric. I don't grate am. As I grate am, then the next step now, I'll take my strainer. Take my strainer. Then I will take this ginger. I will press am put for inside the honey. Hope say you dey see am. Hope say una dey see am as I dey do am so. As I take do am so you take do am. I don press am. You will press am very well. Make sure say the water come out well. Juice the ginger, press am very well, make the water come out. Then just put the turmeric. Then press am. Hope you dey see am. Press am, just press am very well. Press am very well. Make sure say make the whole water come out. Then I don't press am. Then you can take the lemon. See the lemon. Compress the lemon. Put. Depends on how the syrup wey you want make. Depends on how you want many reach. Now you take put lemon. So you come mix am very well. Okay my people, we don't finish the work. And the cough medicine I be this one. You know how to do, just try make you get the items where I take do am. Now 4 items, you know how: lemon, ginger, turmeric and honey. Just try get those things. Just do the cough medicine. Not hard. If you follow up, just try watch this video. May you look the way I take do every step where I take do. May you just do like that. So very easy. Try make you get better honey. Buy better honey. You know, not buy all this flower honey. They not the those are not the real honey. Just try buy this honey where they draw bee put for the back. And those one be original honey. Buy that kind of honey. You know, just make them. But then I advise me not give them to little babies or I just talk my own. I start to understand and I still they teach you. So and they help well, they help for cold. They help. Even if picking be say man, he get cough, he get catarrh, and that cough will be say they stay for throat. You understand? Where they block throat. Just try give her 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon for morning, 1 tablespoon for afternoon, 1 tablespoon for evening. You know, lemon, the honey, even ginger, turmeric, all these things now natural body booster, and them be so they go help you wash your body, go wash all those things where it don't make sense come out, you know. Just try me do this thing. If you I believe say you go enjoy if you do and try me you do and they help well, they help. Not be every time when they run go pharmacy, go they find cough medicine and all this cough medicine where they make. That's also sugar they inside. But then if you make for yourself for house, you see and say man and natural things you take do and you know how you take make them, then you go really enjoy them. Thank you my people. If you find my video interesting, each time I post video you say you like them, you like what they do, and if you watch and say you dey pick sense for inside and you dey learn something for inside, may you try subscribe to my channel. Just try subscribe so that each time I still upload, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that each time I upload video you still feel follow up, you still see the sign, you still see give you sign say I don't upload, so you still watch and still find. If you still find something interesting, just to let me know. Not forget to leave message for me, not forget to write me for the comment section. And thank you very much, and also give it a thumbs up if you like them. Thank you my people, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye till we see you next time. Bye.